Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Twitter account. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go ahead and select your account. Tap on Deactivate Account. Tap on Deactivate. Now you can enter your password and tap on Deactivate. There is no feature to permanently delete your Twitter account yet. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.